So I got this mic set up in particular, and we're going to see if this goes well. So this video is going to be an update and as well some good old raw exhaust notes. Let's get it. Welcome back to another video here at chrisrodproductions, and if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this particular video. And if you're brand new here to this channel, just do me the favor, do me the solid, hit the sub button down below, man. So today I pretty much got an update for you guys in this particular video, and basically, man, I missed y'all. I really have. You know, some things have been going on within my life that I had to figure out and kind of get things rolling, and you can say just feelings that we don't believe in kind of gotten in the way of what I want to do. But one thing's for sure, we are back in the gym currently, so we are feeling a whole lot better, trying to get in a closer path to God, man, you know, Jesus Christ. So we gotta get this thing rolling, man. That's what we gotta do. But now, aside from the personal life and whatnot, man, I just, you know, we've got a couple things done as far as it comes to when it is Venom, our 1998 Mustang Cobra, and that guy doesn't know how to drive, so Connecticut's still the same. And real quickly, I'm also running a little dual microphone setup right now. I got the wireless mic set up, LaVR, one on the coat and one on the license plate. I'm really hoping that this catches the exhaust notes on this car.
Newsflash, caught the exhaust notes, but the problem is it's terrible. So enjoy the video as much as you can.
But let's talk about the car. So pretty much, just so we're all aware, if you haven't looked at this, you know, thumbnail that I got on this particular video, we did indeed install some lowering springs. We finally were able to install the lowering springs that I purchased over at LMR, and it's the SVE lowering springs. I think they're like 1.5 inches all the way around. And ironically enough, the car is not as low as I thought it would be. So first and foremost, because we got the lowering springs done, just know that there's a lowering spring video on the way. That will be on the way. And as well, we got a brand new tool on top of that. But the tool that I did end up getting was a spring compressor tool. And in particular, it's the one that kind of has like the U-shaped forks to really cover the entire spring on any kind of car, whether it's a strut spring or whether it's a strut spring, whether it's a strut spring, look, I can't say it again. Whether it was a strut spring or a regular spring coil that's on, you know, like this car that we have here, which is a 98 Cobra or, you know, a Mustang. So just know, basically, we got 2 videos that should be coming up on the way relatively soon, I hope. And, you know, I kind of want to talk about something. But yeah, when it comes down to it, I completely forgot exactly what I was saying just now, but I'm pretty sure it has something along the lines to do with videos coming up. We got videos coming up. I just got to edit them and do, you know, all that kind of razzmatazz and gizmo thing, you know, good old editing. Now, I wanted to talk about something as well, you know, possible name change. And as far as that name change goes, or wait, I can't even speak. As far as the name change goes, it's pretty much a name change within the channel because I don't know if you guys know this, but chrisrodproductions as a name really is something that I like to have as a name. But I kind of just did this little thing where it was a biting off a style of Derek Barron. I kind of don't like that. I truly don't at this rate. And aside from the very first point, when it comes to this name change, not only was it because another YouTuber kind of has a similarity of a name. Hold on, I hope you guys can hear me. I really do. But it's also the simple fact that anytime you type Chris Rock Productions on YouTube, it keeps popping up Chris Rock, like the comedian. That's very annoying. So that pretty much means that you're not able to find my channel easily. That's another reason that I have, you know, or have the thought to really do this name change to the channel. Now, I won't. Right now, I will not be telling you what the name change is going to be. We'll pretty much kind of explain it in another video when it actually happens. So we're not going to mention it right now. But for the most part, just know there's a name change coming. And with that name change, I will say we're going to also be getting a new emblem, or a new logo rather. So I'm going to have to, you know, go inside my brain, draw some stuff up, and create my new emblem or my logo. You know what I'm saying? Something else that I want to mention when it comes to kind of like channel changes and content as far as, you know, social media and whatnot, I also want to do kind of a personal account. And when I say personal account, I'm more like an entertainment account. And pretty much, I want to actually do like reactions. There's things other than, you know, cars that I like as far as hobbies and so forth, and what I like to watch as far as, you know, entertainment purposes. I'm into WWE right now at the current moment. It's actually pretty dope. If you guys haven't seen it, go check out some wrestling content. There's a lot out there, and there's a lot going on as far as the storytelling when it comes to wrestling or sports entertainment. I also hope that this mic in the back, so I got a microphone currently. that's pretty much attached to the license plate. So I really hope that the exhaust doesn't blow the mic. That'll be really annoying. And I can't use this video. Whack. Just because I'm on the subject of the mic and, you know, the exhaust note currently at the moment, I want to change this exhaust, man. You know, basically, I kind of want to go back to the H-pipe setup and as well go back to a regular full catback onto this car. Had a whole lot of fun when it comes down to these Flowmaster Outlaws and this X-pipe from RPP, but two things. RPP is no more, and the Flowmaster Outlaws, I'm kind of getting over. I really am. It's too raspy. I have to yell all the time, you know. I mean, I don't mind that. It's just, you know, I want something different. But as far as the exhaust that I truly want when it comes to the catback, I'm thinking of installing pipes violators on this car. And I don't know, man. I've been hearing a lot of pipes violators on other people's cars, and it sounds pretty good. But I never heard it really on a Cobra. So I'm thinking of going that route in particular, man. I don't know, it's just something about it kind of sings to me, you know. Another thing I want to also mention, you know, now that we have the lowering springs technically on the car, wheels. Wheels is the next best thing that I need to get, man. I mean, I got a particular set in mind. One thing that does suck is LMR doesn't sell their, I think it's the SVE R350 wheels anymore. But aside from that, they never had chrome. So I'm going to be getting a chrome wheel yet again, man. It's pretty exciting. Let me think, is that everything? I don't know if that's everything. I hope I really talked about everything I needed to say, because there's still a whole lot that's got to get done to this car. I mean, now we got spring, summer here. It's cold right now in CT. I can't stand this weather. I ever told you guys that? But for the most part, just to make sure you guys know, I have not gone anywhere. I'm still around. So that's the last thing I want to do is completely give this all up, because I'm not going to quit on this YouTube stuff, man. I just, not something that I have the notion to do. I want to continue doing this, and there's clearly a bunch of you guys that enjoy this content. God bless every single one of you, because I do appreciate every single subscriber that I have on this channel. And we're going to keep moving forward with this, man. We're really going to do it. We're going to do it. I'm telling you. Let me see if I can do an outro with this loud car. I really hope that mic caught everything in a good way. Because if the decibels messed it up, this video is toast. So with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable, and it's not helpful, but if you found it enjoyable in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like. And don't forget, for your boy, be sure to join the clip by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. Until this, baby boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one, man. Peace.